Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this URGI NGRS. This one has had the PTS grip installed. We've got a PTS grip fire selector on the side been installed. We've got the Magpul MOE SLS stock. We've installed that. Obviously modified the wiring at the back and a small spacer on there just to guide the wiring nicely and just to take out some slack on the stock. So that's all installed. Obviously internally we've got a level 10 build. It's got quite a lot installed on this one, which is the so obviously we've got the upgraded power spring to raise the power. We've got the Prometheus wide, so 363 wide cut barrel with the Psionic number 7 R-hop. We've then got the hard Prometheus gears. We've got an 18:1 combined with a Ronin 31K motor. We've got the Prometheus 8mm bearings in this particular one. That's combined with the Retro Arms gearbox shell. We've got the Prometheus hard anti-reversal latch, Laylax trigger lock pin. We've got the Prometheus selector plate. So we've got the Laylax hard castle nut, FPS piston head, FPS cylinder head, FPS air nozzle, FPS piston, FPS tapper plate. We've got the Eagle 6 connecting bar at the back here. We've got the Jeftron Leviathan MOSFET. And Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring, we added that onto there. And FPS cylinder, I think we've got that noted on there. And then yeah, that's everything. So quite a lot on this one. So we're just going to demonstrate it working. Quite nippy on the old trigger response there. Fast rate of fire on that motor. There we go, so all tested and working. Range tested on 3.2s and 3s, and they all set up the FPS on 3s, but we still recommend 3.2s. Yeah, we hope that's everything you wanted on the build, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.